Hello friends, super excited. I finally get to unbox this humongous big spring box from Fabfitfun. I swear, this has got to be the most exciting unboxing that I've had in a while. Thank you so much to Fabfitfun. They let me customize this box. To tell you the truth, that was one huge thing that was stopping me from subscription boxes. It's like the surprise of you don't know what you're gonna get, but you do get to customize this box. However, they don't guarantee everything that you pick will be available. So for that reason, it's still a surprise. And when I saw this at my doorstep, look at this ginormous box. They even give you suggestions on what to do with the box, like put the money you save into this box. Okay. They've given me 2 coats. If you want to join annually or seasonally, you get 4 boxes a year, okay? And you will save 20%. So for example, if you want to buy this box, it's going to be $47.99 with my code MICHELLEF20. What a deal. Yes, it's a deal. It is girl math, and I hate the term girl math because it makes us sound stupid, like we don't know what we're talking about. But there's a reason why women are the house managers, okay? We know how to save money. So just one item in here literally pays for the rest. Let's unbox. For time's sake, I went in and took off the plastic on everything because that takes me like so much time to do. Okay, so I am actually gonna customize a box with you guys so I can give you the options of what you can choose with every customization. If you have not done this before, I'm gonna walk you through it. Okay, I just found out. Now, if you sign up for an annual membership, you can customize your box right now. If you sign up quarterly, you have to wait till February 9 to customize your box. So there's a huge advantage for signing up annually. When you actually get on the website, they're going to give you a full description. So my customization number 1, this is what I chose. This beautiful pickleball set. Yay. I do not play pickleball. Somebody said I should. So yes, I will. It's a huge thing now. So what better way to, I don't know, start my pickleball career with a pickleball set. How cute is that? I just love the retro green and white stripes. It's like a tennis club canopy, Beverly Hills type of deal. So that was in customization number 1. Other choices for number 1, sweet floral dessert plates. That's a mouthful. Cute little dessert plates. Doesn't match anything in my decor, but if my daughter were still little, I would get these for her. Another item that was super cute in the customization, you can pick these 4 stemless glasses, and each one is in a different color. Super cute. A high consideration was the swell salad bowl. This was perfect to take my salad to lunch, and it has a compartment up top where you can put a piece of chicken or toast and a little cup for dressing so it doesn't all mix in the salad. I think that's brilliant. So you don't get a soggy salad. No one wants to experience a soggy salad. Plus it's pink. Now other choices in the customization, this OSEA cleanser, and OSEA is a great brand, but I have enough cleansers. And the last pick is the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. Now, I have enough hair care, just being in the industry that I'm in. So I chose the pickleball set because, like I said, it's about time I become a professional pickleball player. Never played in my life, but now I will. And it's so darn cute, so I have no excuse. All of the retail prices are listed when you choose your items. The lowest thing available is $45. The pickleball set costs $60. So already, with the cost of 1 quarterly box, I'm literally getting my money's worth. That is amazing, okay? So in essence, everything else in here is free. Free. We love free, but it's not just free junk, it's free stuff that we love, okay? So next, number 2. This has got to be my favorite thing in the whole box. I couldn't wait to get it, and now I can't wait to wear it. The brand is Lack of Color. I'm kind of mad at the brand name because I hate the word lack. It's a yucky word. Hold on, I can't see you guys. Okay, that's better. So look at this wide hat. This will protect my face, my neck, everything. And if it's too wide, you know, look, both parts of the brim, they just fold up. I love it. I can't wait to wear this to Disneyland. I'm gonna wear this everywhere. I love the floral print of the hat. I was iffy at first, and then I saw it on the model on the Fabfitfun page, and I was like, yes, I hope I look as cute in that hat as she does. So the value of this hat, retail value, is $125. That is huge, okay? Again, the price of the box with my code is less than $48. Hello, that's such a steal. Other items that you can choose in this customization. So just to clarify, like within the customization, you can pick one thing. So with this one, you can pick a bath wrap, and I already have a bath wrap, so I didn't need it. A pink swell bottle, a Dibs Beauty Island Duo. Now this I normally love. Looks like a blush on one side and a contour on the other. I love this type of makeup, but I don't need it. The Beyond Yoga convertible gym bag. That one I do love. So it was a hard decision between the gym bag and the hat, but I needed the hat more. And also, if you choose to subscribe annually, you can add on products for a very decent price. And the last option is this TULA Skincare 24/7 Moisture. Again, I have enough skincare, but I've heard great things about this moisturizer. It's a great way to kind of try anything. How this works is that I couldn't pick a hat and the backpack, although I'd love to. So what I might do is go ahead and buy another box for my daughter, because she's already got her eyes on this one, and I know she's gonna take stuff from me. The third customization, you can pick a First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads, a Pat McGrath eyeliner. I love Pat McGrath, so if it were a shadow, I would pick it immediately, but I have enough eyeliners. This beautiful safety pin bracelet, paper clip safety pin bracelet, valued at $48, or an AVEDA leave-in conditioner. So I kind of have an abundance of all of these things. What I ended up picking from this customization was the ROBE curls. So one of these guys that helps you to curl your hair while you are sleeping. Okay, my daughter is excited about this, and so am I, because usually when I curl my hair, as you see, I usually have my hair curled. I make this last for 3 to 4 days by tying my hair up in a bun. So I think this is going to be very effective for me, just to keep my curls and my style intact. Now, if you want healthy hair like mine, they've got some great hair care options. Okay. So now customization number 4, Grace and Stella Jade Comb. If you want a beautiful jade comb for your hair. Saint Jane Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF 30, I'm gonna assume that says. African Botanics Muscle Pain Relief Recovery Gel. I have enough of those, because I do tend to overdo it sometimes. Earth Harbor Reparative Eye Cream, and that's always a good one. The last pick is MAELIN and GOETZ Strawberry Perfume. I've heard great things about this strawberry perfume oil. Now what I ended up choosing, I chose this super cute PJ Salvage wristbands to wash your face with, and includes a super cute headband. How cute is that? My daughter already has her eye on it. Get away, get away. Now I can wash my face, and the water that drips will absorb here instead of running down my arm, and then I can wash my hair. I think, can I just literally wear this and play pickleball? I think that's gonna work out, and then I can wipe my sweat off my head. Love it, super soft, super cute. Okay, number 5. So you get a choice of some really good stuff. NUDESTIX Hydropeptide Lip Butter. Love Wellness pH Balancing Cleanser. So this is a cleanser for down there, and this is created by a doctor partnered with Lo Bosworth from The Hills. I love that show. I love her. So I didn't pick either of those because I pretty much have my lip product. I have a product for down there that I love. Then you have a volumizing mousse. I have enough hair, so I don't need more volume. Dr. JART CERAMIDIN Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream. I love this stuff, but I wanted to choose something else. And then the Caress Pure Great Olive Shower. So this is all great stuff, but this is what I ended up choosing. I chose the large basket from Short Stories. Of course, I was a little surprised when I opened the box, and this was the large basket. It's more like a medium, but it's a cutie little thing. It's one of those rope baskets, and I needed it for my produce. So that's what I thought I would do with it. Let me go ahead and put my produce in here so you can see its intended use. There you go. There's my produce. So now that you know, I'm a big kid. And lastly, customization number 6. I chose probably my favorite thing in the world. Okay, so I talked about the robe curls and how you can get your hairstyle to last. Now, this is the most amazing dry shampoo. Well, this and Kerastase. Now, how else you're gonna get your hair to last is with dry shampoo and Living Proof Perfect Hair Day. This product, this brand is amazing and has gotten really expensive. So how happy am I that it's practically free? It's free, it's free. Just get the other stuff and it's free. So the way you use this is that, so yesterday was a hair wash day. Today, and any day following that you don't hair wash, you spray it into your roots, particularly back here, and then give your hair a shake, and you can keep prolonging your hairstyle, okay? Trust me on this. I love it. I love it. The value on it's $30. The other options on here are the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash, 8 Other Reasons Hoop Set Earrings. I don't wear earrings. Grown Alchemist Purifying Body Exfoliants. I have plenty of those products, and the new company Thick Shampoo and Conditioner Duo for $46. Again, it's a great way just to try out brands, and these aren't cheapy brands, okay? This is all what we call luxury stuff. Some good prices here, or if you need it anyways. Another good reason to have these things. For example, I'm gonna buy a box for my daughter and we'll get the gym bag for me. But some of these products you can have at home and in the gym bag. So we're gonna do a dry shampoo at home. I'm gonna hide this from her because she likes to use up my expensive stuff, okay? Teenagers. So I'm gonna have one at home and then one in my gym bag because again, it's free, it's free, it's paid for. Girl math is great. Hold on, let me put them all in here to look super, super cute. Super cute. So worth it, you guys. So check out the links in the description and be sure to use my code annually MICHELLEF20 gift, or if you want to buy a quarterly box, it's less than $50. MICHELLEF20. Love you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. I will see you guys soon. Bye.